Surprise! Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. Before we start today's video, I'm gonna be surprising my African mom with the best surprise she's ever seen. So it's this big appliance. This is big. We're gonna be surprising her with this. She doesn't know it yet, but this is what you're gonna be surprising her with. It's an electric spin scrubber. And before we start this video, it's a small tools that make the biggest difference. No more scrubbing everywhere, like no more using that energy. So I'm gonna be surprising my mom with this present. She has been waiting for a present from me because, you know, as her last born daughter, I want to make my mom's work easier. She loves doing her work herself. So let's continue with today's video. I've tried to hide this package, guys. You've seen me, or you haven't. We'll see it in another video how I was able to deliver this thing. Anyway, watch this video. Like if you like this video. We're gonna do all the work. I'm gonna surprise my mom, hopefully, and all the good things. I'm so happy that I'm in a stage in my life where I can like make my mom the little things that I have as a last born, you know. Okay, anyway, surprising my mom. Hi guys, I'm gonna be surprising my mom with an electric spin scrubber. So let's see how she'll react. Funga macho. Funga. Funga.
Ngoja funga.
Take this. You're surprised. You're surprised. You know what that is? Hii ni electric spoon scrubber venye unapenda kufanya kazi bado. So hii ni brush. Unakuja hivi brush. Unazichange. Unaona aje? Utaosha. Na hiyo. Unazireplace. Brushes for different kazi. Na hiyo. Hizi sponge ya carpet, baka, microfiber ya kupanguza kila kitu kumaliza. Utaosha sasa. Hakuna ku bend. There's no bending. There's no doing anything. Yeah? You let the brush ifanye kazi yote.
Okay, thank you.
Unaonaje?
Unaona vizuri kitu hivi.
So niambie hivyo.
Nilisahau nini? Nyumba. Koroga ndende yupate vansi velie babu. Edecho.
Na dirisha.
Nimeona window.
So my mom is saying, I've gifted my mom. Kumbe, it's a gift that keeps on giving. Now I'm the one who has to do the washing because I'm the daughter. In an African home, the daughters do everything in the house. So at least it will be more easier. Now let's start and go and wash. Subscribe. Action. Now we've surprised my mom. She really loved it, but she made me do all the work. So before we do everything, for you to also get yourself one, all the links and the product list will be on the description down below. Thank you so much for gifting me this so that I can gift my mom back. I'm so happy. This product online crowdfunding will be on the screen below, time and price, and there's also gonna be a discount. It will be on the screen below, and all the details on the description down below. So let's continue with today's video. Anyway, I'll tell you all the different functions of the 7 brushes that are here. I'll show you, and we will unbox this right now. This is how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks when you open it. First, it comes with instruction guide, a quick start guide. You get them in 2 with different languages, so it's easier and straight to the point. Then this is how it looks. It comes like this with the different brushes. This is the electric. There are several different, the round brush, all those brushes. And I'll tell you the difference. When you remove it, it comes like that. Here are the brushes. And then I'll tell you every different fraction of the brushes. And then there's the sponges. There's the sponge. There's the carpet one. And there's, after you finish all the scrubbing, it comes with this also. And then this round brush, I don't know, they gifted me, it comes with 15 brush heads. And the thing about this, I love the way it's fast charging. And guys, my cleaning my mom's house has gotten even better. So, and this is the thing, you mount it on the wall. You remove the sticker and then you can mount it on the wall. Like you have a wall and then you can like stick it on the walls. This is what is actually in the box. Different types of brushes. I'll tell you all the uses. And it is charging. I love the fact that it's cordless. It's cordless and you can charge it like a phone. It comes with its own charger. Yeah, you charge it here. And then you put this on your outlet, your electricity outlet. And then I love the way it's detachable and it's really lightweight. So like all your work is done. Mama's gonna be happy about this. I'll show you every different uses of these brushes. I think these are replaceable brushes, or one is for your toilet. I love this. No more scrubbing. So you see, and I also love because you can rotate it 45 degrees, 90 degrees, 45. You get the drift. Okay guys, let me show you everything that's come in this box. It comes Santa. This was my present from my mom. Yeah, that's all that comes in there. I like the way it's fast charging. 1.5 hours you fully charge the brush, the spin brush, and you can use it for 2 hours straight. So, and it's cordless. You don't, when you're scrubbing, you don't need it to be on the charger. You charge it and you can use it cordless. What more can you want? You can clean your windows, your bathroom, your countertops, everything with it. I'm so excited. And installing, insert the handle directly into the false ledge rod. When you install the brush head, align the connector of the main body and then insert the brush head directly. Push the button to adjust 3 adjustment angles: 0 degrees, 45 degrees, 90 degrees, as shown. The round brush with extra bristles for extreme prints results. This brush is designed to scrub curved surfaces like bathtubs and sinks. The electric spin scrubber can clear stains on the surface of objects by rotating at high speed. Tampered brush. This brush is perfect for tackling corners, nooks, groove lines, tires, and other irregular surfaces. This big flat brush, this is used to clean large surfaces like tile floors and windows. It's great at getting out stubborn stains. You see, this is before and this is after. You can see it has really cleaned it up. This hair sweeper brush, it can clean the hair in the plush carpet, pet long hair, soft paper, and combing the carpet fluff to make it more fluffy. The sponge brush is perfect for glass, mirrors, and even washing the car. Works even better if you add a cleaning agent that will create a layer of fine bubbly floor foam. The small flat brush works great on stores, range hoods, vanities, and other countertops. It is mainly used for cleaning various indoor and outdoor scenes such as bathrooms, living room, kitchen, and car.
Hapa inatakiwa upanguze hapa 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 na hapa. Hizi zipinde yote.
My mom is telling me that I've missed a spot, that I should make it super clean. And I need to get myself this one too. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. Continue supporting all, like, the things I show you. There are things that I'm using and I love them so much. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and shop on the links on down below. All the details will be on the description. Right after this video, there's a description box. Just click to see more and you'll see everything that you need, price, discount, and the crowdfunding link for this. Bye.